Hi, all my friends, still back again with channel Exaditwo. How are you all today? May you always be happy and always be healthy. Amen. Okay, in the video I will show you my edits about what if.
And see.
Command twin buckle.
Set. Great. Ready. Fight.
Raising sword. Full charge. Twin set. Take off complete. Jet and cannon.
Ready.
Fight. Raise charge. Tactical raising.
Revolve on.
Lock on.
Hyper great. Victory.
Okay, thanks for watching this video. If there is an error in my edit, or my edits are bad, I'm sorry. Thanks. See you next time.